Hey, welcome to my video all about setting up your Facebook ads to sell your products on Amazon, whether that's here in Australia or indeed anywhere around the world. This is part 4 of that 5-part series. Parts 1, 2, 3 are linked below in the description, and you want to make sure that you don't miss any of these videos. I've got part 5 coming out very, very soon, so make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll make sure that you get part 5 in no time at all. Now, if you are interested in actually starting a business selling things on Amazon from right here in Australia, make sure that you grab a free copy of my best-selling book by following the link in the description. Speak to you soon. Bye. Ad name is my particular advert. Oh, my little dog's just walked in. So first thing is we want our Facebook identity so we can run ads on our page. So we've got here, that's Wolfgang's, the Grout Doctor, which you can argue is a terrible name for his Facebook page to run ads on regarding his product, which is a microfiber cleaning cloth, okay? So there's an extremely good argument to be made for setting up a new page for your brand on Facebook, specifically for Facebook advertising, okay? Very good argument can be made for that. So our format, lots of different options here. Typically, all things being equal, a video is the best performing ad content out there. Why? Well, Facebook has got delusions of becoming a player in the streaming video market, the media market, and so they reward you for using video in your ads with greater what's called reach, which just means your ad gets shown to more people. And so, all things being equal, a video advert will get the most bang for your buck. However, a simple single ad, single image, is also good. And remember what I told you earlier, don't focus so much on your advert. Instead, understand your market, make the best possible product for your market, and then find them online and put the advert in front of them. That will make you far more money than spending shitloads of money on an expensive video, okay? All right. Dun, 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 dun. So we're going to add media. Here's something I prepared earlier. So we're going to do a video or an image. We're going to do an image. So I've just uploaded some images just for Wolfgang. And I showed you this sort of thing earlier. It's a Holden getting done. You know what I mean? Crop your image. I can crop it here if I want to. Here's this image on Marketplace. Cool. Okay. All right. Pretty simple so far. So I just took that image. Actually, let's do one more. Change image. Let me just show you something. Okay. So I can do stock photos. So this is new on Facebook. So if I just do washing the car, for instance, as a search term, I can now go and check out all the images of somebody washing the car that are out there on Shutterstock, and it will give me lots and lots of options. So if you want to get an image, here's loads and loads of images all being done, okay? And there's some really cool ones. They're super, super cool. I don't know if I'm going to use any of those. I'll prefer the one I found. But if you're short on one, then that's an easy one to do, okay? So I'm just going to cancel that. I like this one of the kid washing the car, though. All right, so I've got a kid washing a car. It kind of looks like he's taking a piss on the car, which I like. And now, let's start putting our advert together. And I'm going to do, there's heaps of questions in there. And I'm going to go back and go through them all, but I just want to show you exactly what to do first, then we're going to go in it. So, primary text. Let me show you where that goes. Oops. That's where your primary text look. It's just there, right above. So what that has to do is it has to scream, hey, you, look at this advert. That's what it has to scream. But it has to do it in such a way where you say, hey, you who might be interested in this product, look at this advert, all right? So, just for speed, I've done something already. So my thing was, mate, you wouldn't clean your car with any old rag, would ya? So I'm using the correct terminology for that. But I'm curious to hear if you've got any ideas for that too. Maybe you have. Feel free. I'm using bloklish. That's exactly right, Hayden. If you've got any ideas, I'm all ears. Feel free to type something in, okay? All right. So you can see here, I can add another option in here for a split test, and Facebook will show my different variations of my ads on rotation. Again, I love split testing, but the goal of a split test ought to be making more sales, okay? That is really the only thing that matters. And so there's no way to track that at this level, at this particular juncture, so it doesn't make any sense to do it. That's why I'm not doing it. Headline, let me show you where that goes. See under here where it says headline, just there. That's where your headline goes right there, okay? Description. Goes in here, and that will be, oh, I'm a little bit of a slow computer. That goes underneath the actual thing. Doesn't show on this one. Let's see if I can get it on here. Desktop newsfeed. There's my description just underneath there, look. So it goes display URL, headline, description, okay? So, headline. Let's see if you guys have come up with anything. I'm trying to channel my inner bogan. Buds need suds. Don't scratch your car with an old sponge. Ooh, would you caress your loved ones with steel wool? That's a lady's way of saying that. Are you looking for a new rag? Give your car a tub up with the best Aussie-made cleaning cloth around. Are you looking for the best rag in town? Mate, stop cleaning your car with steel wool, would ya? Yep, these are all great. Let's have a look and see if I can steal anything from you guys. Here we go. We're going to go Hayden's. Let's take Hayden's because that's kind of fun. Give your car a tub up with the best Aussie-made cleaning cloth around. All right, that's kind of cool. Then, I'm going to put them in here for you, some bullet points. So here's my bullet points. Handmade right here in Australia, in Victoria, which is true. Not some Chinese rubbish with it's actually a Japanese character, not a Chinese one. Designed to clean and buff to perfection without ruining your paint like most sponges do over time. Costs about the same as a 6-pack of Puff to Piss European beer, but your mates won't disown you for cleaning your car properly, will they? And best of all, you can tell your wife you got it for her, and you'll probably get a blowy from her. So as you can tell, it is written in bloklish, all right? So tap here to order. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business. And the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon. And indeed, Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.